In this video, we will be telling you the 10 things that you should do to become rich in 6 months. Many of my friends have tried these and they actually became rich. At present, I do these to grow my wealth, and even famous multi-millionaires do these. Watch this video till the end, where you may miss some crucial steps and guidelines. Now let's start. 1. Improving oneself. People who have amassed wealth via their own efforts often have traits that make them unique. Taken out of this comparison are billionaires and millionaires. Engineers, filmmakers, and physicians are just a few examples of the many successful individuals who improved themselves before going on to have a positive impact on the world. It is possible, for instance, that a rich neurosurgeon has exceptional ability and expertise. As they honed their craft and improved their lot in life, this doctor became an asset to society. You may provide a good foundation for your path to wealth by adding value to yourself. Sharpen your abilities so that you can impress the people who are paying you a hefty sum. Justify your high compensation by demonstrating the value you will bring to their lives. 2. Bring oneself under taxation. Money savings has been around for a while. You may easily dip into your funds, however, if you really desired anything. You must exert yourself and save money if you want to attain your goal of amassing wealth. Consider your savings as a tax. That's another perspective on them. After you pay your taxes, you can never get your money back in full. Your funds are no different. Use the same procedure. Put the funds in a safe and unreachable place, such as a separate bank account or savings account. You should think of your savings as a kind of money that you will never have again, but will be able to access when required. We will soon upload a video on ways to save money, so press the subscribe button if you are in need of it. 3. Make a strategy and carry it out. Finding yourself unexpectedly wealthy is a very remote possibility. Numerous accounts of achievement extol the virtues of chance, although this is always not the case. Winning big usually requires a combination of focus and careful preparation, while a little luck can't hurt. A strategy outlining what has to be done at each stage to achieve success is also part of this topic, along with dates and budgets. Do your best to remain humble and make do with what you have. Being well prepared will help you avoid wasting time and energy. The approach includes more than simply setting a budget and sticking to it. 4. Invest your money. One of the main goals of investing is to generate a profit that exceeds the initial investment. Be careful while picking your investments, however. With so many options, it may be hard to know where to invest your money for the best return. Although it may be a costly endeavor, investing in real estate is often seen as a wise choice. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be expensive, but it may be unpredictable and hazardous. Think about it fairly. There are a lot of factors to think about while investing. Get the advice of people you know who are good investors before you make a final choice. 5. Launch your own company. Although it may be easier said than done, the last 4 stages provide the groundwork for starting and launching your entrepreneurial venture. Maybe this is the way to go if you're good with money and would rather be your own boss. However, starting a company requires a large initial investment and little income in the beginning, as many entrepreneurs will tell you. Starting a business requires a complete overhaul of one's lifestyle, which isn't the shortest route to financial success. In many instances, it is well worth it, thanks to its unique challenges and rewards. Making a name for yourself in business is no picnic, however. A combination of perseverance, dedication, and luck is required for success. The process may be time-consuming, but it may lead to financial success in the end. 6. Practice gratitude. It is not necessary for external causes to establish wealth. Any journey you've embarked on so far requires a perfect alignment of several personality traits in order to be successful. At each milestone along the way, it is critical to remain grateful and modest. Nobody wants to back someone who either doesn't know how to handle success or who doesn't appear to care how much money they make. Being grateful, modest, thoughtful, and open to life's curveballs is still the way to go. 7. Keep your cool. Being patient is another crucial trait for achieving wealth and success. You cannot get wealthy in a matter of days, and nothing ever changes while you wait for anything to happen. In the end, it will take months, if not years, for all your hard work to pay off. When you hear about some new wealthy person in the news every day, it might be very annoying. Realizing that your success speed doesn't have to be measured against others is crucial. The payoff for being patient is worth it in the end. You shouldn't be afraid to take chances or become comfortable just because you don't know what the outcome will be. Frustration undermines your efforts, and success will elude you for some time. 8. Get a degree. You should strive to educate yourself in all aspects of life, not just the area you pick. It is crucial to be informed about current events if you want to make informed investment decisions or identify future trends. The biggest enemy of financial success is naivete. Thus, it is essential to consistently engage in self-education. Major events and trends are too important to ignore, as every one of them might provide an opportunity or a danger to your business. Knowledge of current events and the value of education are paramount. 9. Verified risks must be attempted. There can be no financial gain if there is no danger. Risk is inherent in every endeavor with the potential for financial gain, whether it be stock market investing or starting a company. There's always the chance that the customer won't show up or won't pay when selling old furniture. Compared to investing $1 million on new goods in the line, the risk is minor, but it's still risky. Making money requires taking risks that might lead to the expansion of your concept or business. Be sure to carefully consider all of the potential consequences before making a decision about the investment's worthiness. In the past, it was quite simple to lose money without giving any thought to the risk you were taking. There is an element of deliberate risk in earning. 10. Reward someone else. Helping others around you is crucial. Following this path will get you to your first objective, improving the world around you. As you start to accumulate some wealth, consider donating a portion to a worthy cause. To provide value to your self-esteem, this also implies that you are contributing to the world at large. Volunteering for a cause close to someone's heart makes them perceive you in a better light. The public will have greater faith in you if they see that you will put their money to good use and not keep it in your own pockets. That's all for today. Now you know all the things that you must do to become a millionaire quickly. Press the subscribe button below if you want to know more such tips to become rich quickly. I started following this from just 5 months back, and I have seen a great growth on my bank account balance. I made these a habit. Not only me, all the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Robert Kiyosaki, Mark Zuckerberg, and all others does these. They do these seriously, but you don't. For instance, they suggest you to invest your money in stocks, mutual funds, annuities, gold, fixed deposit, and many other assets, but I am sure that only 10% of you have done these. Well, that won't work. You will have to be serious with your money first. Investing may make your money double by value. If you want to know investing tips, then also stay subscribed. Share this video with all of your friends and family members so that they could learn and improve. Press the like button if you loved watching this video. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching this video till here.